All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Elantra. It is the SE model, this beautiful silver on gray interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. It's got 22,000 miles. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's our front driver's hubcap. And your tire thread is 430 seconds. Double check that. That's at 430 seconds. It's got a scuffing here, about 3 inches, and one of the doors, same, about 3 to 4 inches. All right, the rest of the door looks good. The rear door looks good, and this quarter looks good. Does have a little ding here, about 1 inch or 2. Here's your rear driver's side hubcap. It's your PDR less than 1 inch on this quarter here. Tire thread back here is 430 seconds. Double check that. That's your 530 seconds, as you can see there. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. And I see a small little ding right there. Can it be seen? Right there, right where that light goes. Boom. Very small ding. All right. You got your power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. We jump into his vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Does come with 1 key and 1 key fob and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM. Obviously that's working. Got your AM FM CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues, and your mileage of 22,121. Pretty much completes the tour. Open up the trunk. All right. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Coming around. Rear bumper looks good. Deck lift gate here looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. And I did tuck away your owner's manuals back here. Looks like I'm gonna have to call this frame because of this dent back here. Huh. Apparently because of this dent here, I'm gonna have to call it frame. Some frame job. Frame. Coming around this quarter. Looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. Your tire thread is 430 seconds. Let me double check. That is 530 seconds, sorry. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips. Fender here looks good. Front passenger hubcap looks good. Give you. Stick it again. That is at 530 seconds, really. All right, that's about it, folks. Everything is working. Lights are on. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, of 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE model with 22,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.